All right, guys, I'm super excited to open this box and see what's in there. It's a long time I've opened a box just normally. Weird, a sheet of grip tape.
Never seen one of those before.
And a what? Wow, look at this thing. This is a Wild Stallion board. It's a Welcome Nora. It's a rad deck. What do you call this, Gabe?
A shaped board.
You just call it a shaped skateboard.
Yeah, there's popsicle skateboards and then there's shaped boards.
Gabe told me we're gonna skate a shaped board, and I thought I was gonna open something that was like fish shaped. I guess this is somewhat like that, but not exactly. We're gonna do a versus. It's gonna be regular board versus shaped board. We can talk about the differences, we can talk about the pluses, the minuses.
What I was thinking is that you would do a trick on your regular board, and then you would try it on that and kind of feel out the difference and explain what it feels like.
I like it. So this is just a regular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ply skateboard. The only difference is that shape. Never skated a shape like this, never seen a shape like this. Not sure if it will hurt me, harm me, help me, or hinder my use of tools. And yes, these are really popular and Nora is super rad. So here we go.
If you get popsicle, is it still called popsicle or you got shaped?
Oh! Who is this?
Hola, Senor Mario.
Hi, Aaron, Cairo. Aaron actually going for the nice grip job today.
Oh, I'm gonna make this beautiful. Grip tape available, brailleskateboarding.com. Do we have like a better razor blade?
You want to cut it off? Here, I'll show you how it's done.
Oh no. Oh my.
Mario, we were trying to do a good grip tape job.
You're cutting it the wrong way.
I don't know what you do, Gabe, but I don't do that. And by the way, what is this? Why are you using this? This is horrible.
Mario!
Trying to make this a good video with a good grip tape job. Get him out of here.
That's what happens when you don't know how to file, Aaron.
To say this is the world's most beautiful grip tape job is an understatement of how beautiful it is. Give me some hardware, Mario. Look at how much shorter this one is than that one.
Wow.
Versus boom, 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 boom. So this is a regular board, just standard issue. This is 8 inches wide. I believe it's about 31, 32 inches long. And this one, yeah, probably is about 28 inches long. And it has a shaped nose and a shaped tail. So this is shaped boards versus regular skateboards. Each person's gonna do a trick on their own board, and then they're gonna do a trick on this. And we're gonna talk about our opinions of the differences. I don't know if you guys have ever seen any of the versus videos before, but we've done a lot. We've done soft wheels versus hard wheels, high trucks versus low trucks. And it's basically an opinion situation because that's all it really is at the end of the day. Some people prefer this type of board over this one. Some people prefer this over this. Really, it's just your opinion. I've never skated a board like this, so let's see how it goes. All right, let's do this. It is so weird and it is so small. It seems like just a little guy. So far it works better for literally every trick. So how's this work? I'm gonna do a trick on this and then try the same trick on that. First try, kickflip, here we go. Haven't really skated today. Woo! Let's get warmed up. That's gonna take some getting used to.
Wow.
It is so small. Go, Carlos.
So he took the kick flip away, so I'm gonna try the heel flip. I like heel flips. Whoa. Actually, it's kind of funny, but I feel like it's more fit for my size. Oh man. Yep. I'm gonna concur with Aaron on that one. It's gonna take some getting used to. The difference is when I do heel flips, my legs are a little bit farther out, so I have to kind of squeeze them in and figure out how to flick it. That's decent, I'll take it.
Ready?
Now try it on that.
Oh no. What even shape is that? I think I might have to do it backwards. What is this, like a 7? I'm confused.
Oh no.
Man down!
I feel like the last 3 weeks I've hit Aaron in the shin with something.
Oh, there it is.
You just have to add way more pressure.
Oh, Mario. Get over here and bubble flip.
I love the steez that you rolled away with on that.
Oh my god, it's so tiny, dude. I'm scared.
Oh!
This is your new board. Burial heel flip. Go.
Burial heel flip? Alright.
Do it on your board first. Okay. He's fully gotten used to that. He'll never be able to go back to a regular skateboard. I think this board will change Mario's life.
It will change my life.
tray flip. Tray flip.
No way. I can't tray flip. Let's see.
Mario, put the back foot on there.
I'm so scared.
Just so you guys understand, Mario's never done a tray flip in his life ever. That was the closest he's ever came. Bend your knee.
Scary, dude.
Nothing will convince him to do it.
I know. I gotta do a tray and then a tray revert. I'm gonna do both of those on my board and then we're gonna see what the difference is. But so far, I love the shape of this. I think it's really rad. It is definitely smaller than I thought. When I first saw this, I kind of thought, oh, it's just a regular size skateboard shaped differently, but it's smaller. Dang, boy. All right, let's go, Nora. First try, let's go. Oh! Who's got that 720 flip? Took a lot of energy though. Let's see what this one takes. I can't. Scary. Oh! Whoa, micro machine. 540 flip?
Okay, what are we doing now?
Anything you want.
That one was way better. Shaped for the win.
Wait, that was shaped?
Yeah,
What the heck? I thought that was your regular board.
let's do a tray flip. It's a lot lighter, so flicking is a lot easier, but not used to the shape yet.
I'm gonna quad flip it.
Maybe he should double flip on flat. Yeah, boy.
That was scary.
I'm telling you, 720 flip. This is the board.
That's definitely a lot more sensitive.
I gotta say his normal board was better.
Yeah, his normal board on that tray flip was better.
Betty, you're up.
This thing's so tiny. So at least I don't have to change board shape. Obviously I don't go well with this. It's just awkward that the tail isn't round. It's a harder hard flip. You just have to readjust everything you know about skateboarding.
Got it.
What I think I could do is dolphin flip.
Oh no.
Just try one try. One try. I don't get that trick at all.
That's my cousin.
Dude. Damn, bro.
I think it was better on that
It
one.
was.
I'm having a little bit of mixed emotions. It's not bad at all, but I'm not used to shaped decks at all.
Handstand finger
But you're
flip.
killing it on it.
Why?
What kind of fork and freak is this?
Why?
Okay, let's test out the arm straight today.
Wow. Aaron, I want you to do a video learning those.
No.
I literally just messed up. I did that, so I figured it's lighter, so I eased up, and I should have done that.
All these guys in their freestyle tricks. So far, what do you guys think?
I think it's pretty rad.
Yeah, it's a skateboard, you know, it's shaped, but you just gotta adjust because the height of it is a lot shorter than an actual deck, so.
Yeah, I think most shaped boards are the same size. Like there's this kid at Fremont that skates a shaped board. I mean, that's like a full-blown like fish board.
Yeah.
And he kills it. He does tons of incredible tricks. And it's a shaped board. I've never seen anybody rip a shaped board like that. But shaped boards are really coming into play. A lot of people are skating them.
Yeah, that guy Andy Anderson is like the prime example of that right now.
Yeah, he skates shaped boards?
Yeah, he kills it too. It's so crazy.
So, but his is not shorter, right?
It's not shorter, no. It's actually standard as much as we have like
Right,
here. So,
so-
this one's actually substantially shorter than your normal. But I can
Right.
see where you can get some benefit from it.
Right, it's interesting. All right, you want to do some tricks in the mini ramp?
Let's do some tricks in the mini ramp. It is cold in here. I imploded. funny? This is the longest it's taken me to do this in a while. Goodness, come on. Strawberries. Ah!
Perfect. That was perfect.
Hit it first try. Dude, it even sounds different.
How did he land on top of that?
Good to go, my friend.
Took him less tries on the shape board. I think the
Interesting.
shape is like up by 7 at this point.
Dude, I have like 3 weeks left before the year's over. I gotta say I landed 1 double flip on flat. Oh, that's going down. That's going down. That's
It wasn't
literally-
pretty.
Oh, let's go.
It wasn't pretty.
Hold on. I gotta hear it.
Yes!
Finally. I can now say I landed a double flip before the year's over.
Has it really been a year since
Yes,
you landed
dude. I
one?
have not landed 1 double flip on flat all year.
I'm gonna do a tray flip, 540 flip, 720 flip in a line.
One 720 flip? How
He's going
about
for 540 right now. What? Hey, wait, hold on. What do you got for him if he lands a 720 flip first try?
$100 right now?
Shake on it.
I've never done one, so
$100.
I'll put a lot of effort into it. I don't even know if that went. Did it go around twice?
To the 5?
Yeah.
Ollie late flip?
Oh, wow. That catch though, it's always so good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Stank leg Steez flip. Oh! Got him.
All right, let's get a good ender.
Well, shaped for the win.
See, I'm the only guy in here who can land in the center of the board and it doesn't do anything.
All right, guys. Well, I gotta say the shape boards are really rad.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I covered pretty much everything that I wanted to say. Similar to a regular board, I think that you said that some tricks are easier on this.
I did a double flip on flat first time this
On
year.
this?
On this
You
guy,
did?
so,
Oh, I missed
there's-
that.
Like I said, there's some things that you benefit from having it like smaller and like I said, it's a preference board too. So whatever you decide to want to skate, you have that freedom. So it doesn't matter if you want to skate shaped or popsicle sticks. As long as you're skating, that's all that matters.
Yeah, like anything, we've done a lot of these versus videos, highs versus lows, loose versus tight trucks. There are some really, really good skaters that skate with tight trucks and some really, really good skaters that skate with loose trucks. It's not like, oh, if you have your trucks loose, you're not going to be as good as if they were tight.
It's all based on opinion.
Yeah,
Whatever
it's
you
all-
want to do, go ahead and do it. That's the beauty about skating. Freedom.
Literally anything. Skate it up. The freedom of skateboarding is incredible. Take it, take it, take it. Learn how to skate. All right, guys, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you are learning how to skateboard, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get anything that you need there to learn how to skateboard, instructional videos, skateboards, wheels, trucks, anything. We have a whole bunch of other videos right here in this playlist. We're trying to teach you guys a lot. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. We'll read your comments and we'll make a video answering you. Hopefully help a lot of people learn and get on the skateboard. So I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, we're super, super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.